हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आप लोगों को क्लास 6 कंप्यूटर लेसन 1 कंप्यूटर क्लासिफिकेशन का ये वीडियो पार्ट 2 है। हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट में आपको कुछ हेडिंग्स इसकी पढ़ाई थी, जिसमें हमने कंप्यूटर की जनरेशन के बारे में जाना था और हम लोग कंप्यूटर की थर्ड जनरेशन तक पढ़ चुके थे। अब हम लोग फोर्थ जनरेशन के बारे में जानेंगे, जो 1971 से आज तक अभी तक जो टुडे आज में जो कंप्यूटर चलता है उसके बारे में हम जानेंगे। लेकिन इससे आगे भी कंप्यूटर की 5th जनरेशन भी है और उसकी 6th जनरेशन भी है, लेकिन आजकल 75% जगहों पे ये 4th जनरेशन के कंप्यूटर ही यूज़ में लाए जाते हैं। तो लिखा है द 4th जनरेशन, this generation can be characterized by both the jump of monolithic integrated circuits and the invention of the microprocessor. By putting millions of transistors onto one single chip, more calculation and faster speed could be reached by computers because electricity travels about a foot in billion of the second. The smaller the distance, the greater the speed of computers. Ted Hoff, employed by Intel, invented a chip the size of pencil eraser that could do all the computing and logic work of computer. The microprocessor led towards the invention of personal computer or microcomputers. The 5th generation computer, 1984 to 1919. The 5th generation saw the introduction of machine with hundreds of processors that could all be working on different parts of a single program. That scale of integration of semiconductors continued at the incredible pace. By 1919 it was possible to build chip with a millions components and semiconductor memories, which become standard on all computers. Other new developments were the widespread use of computer networks and the increasing use of single user workstation characteristics. Combination of some of or all of the following technology: extremely large scale integration, parallel processing, high speed logic and memory chips, high performance micro miniaturization, voice data integration, knowledge based platforms, artificial intelligence, expert systems, virtual reality generation, satellite links. 6th generation computer, 1919 to today. Transitions between generation in computers technology are hard to define, especially as they are taking place. Some changes, such as the switch from vacuum tubes to transistors, are immediately apparent as fundamental change, but others are clear only thinking now about something in the past. Many of the developments in computer systems since 1919 reflect gradual improvements over established system, and thus it is hard to claim they represent a transitions to a new generation. But other developments will prove to be significant change on the basis of working principle. Analog computer. An analog computer is a form of computer that use physical phenomena such as electrical, mechanical or hydraulic quantities to model the problems being solved. Digital computer, this is a computer that performs calculation and logical operations with quantities represented as digits, usually in the binary numbers of system. हाइब्रिड कंप्यूटर्स, हाइब्रिड कंप्यूटर को एनालॉग प्लस डिजिटल दोनों कंप्यूटर बोला जा सकता है। तो उसमें लिखा है ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स दोज आर कैपेबल इन ऑफ इनपुटिंग एंड आउटपुटिंग इन बोथ डिजिटल एंड एनालॉग signals. A hybrid computer system setup offers a cost-effective method of performing complex simulation. Supercomputers. On the basic size of computers is the supercomputer. The first type of computers, supercomputers, are very expensive and are employed for specialized application that requires immense amounts of mathematical calculation. For example, weather forecasting requires a supercomputer. Other use of supercomputer include animated graphics, fluid dynamic calculations, nuclear energy research and petroleum exploration. Mainframe computer. It is very large and expensive computers capable of supporting hundreds or even thousands of users simultaneous in this arrangement according to their importance. A simple microprocessor at the bottom and moves to supercomputers at the top. Mainframes are just below supercomputers. Mini computer. A mid-sized computer is size and power. Many computers lie between workstation and mainframes. In the past decade of distinction between large many computers and small mainframes has blurred. However, it was the distinction between small mini computers and workstation. Microcomputer. The microcomputer is a digital computer system that is controlled by a storage program that use a microprocessor, a programmable read-only memory ROM, and a random access memory RAM. Some of microcomputers are desktop computer, a personal of micro mini computer sufficient to fit an desk. लास्ट है workstation. A terminal or desktop computers in a network. In the context, workstation is just a generic term for a user of machine, in contrast to a server of mainframe. On the basis of brand, IBM computer refers to family personal computers product of IBM Apple. The Macintosh of Mac is line for personal computers PC, designed, development and marked by Apple ICE. It was initially targeted mainly at the home, education and creative professional markets. तो ये लेसन आपका समाप्त हुआ. इसमें जो भी ट्रू फॉल्स और फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन और आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन, जितने भी क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं आपको वीडियो के साथ ही प्रोवाइड करा दिए जाएंगे और आप इसको कॉपी में जब नोट डाउन कर लेंगे तो हम दूसरे लेसन पे आगे बढ़ेंगे. तब तक के लिए आप इसको पढ़िए और अच्छे से समझिए. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.